is his daughter. Mark, where are you? Mark!
He's getting a drink.
Anyway, our speaker, Mark Ferrandino, with his darling daughter. And several of our colleagues, Brittany Pedersen from Jefferson County. And you know, so many of you helped us with Brittany's race. We really appreciate it. Angela Williams from up further northeast. And Beth McCann from around the corner. We also are very privileged to have our former First Lady, Dottie Lamb, here. Thank you. And our clerk and recorder, Deb Johnson. Yeah, okay, here's Mark now. Am I missing anybody?
Mike Johnson.
Oh, Mike, sorry. Mike Johnson, our newest school board member. Mary Parker is a candidate next year from out southwest, southeast, somewhere southwest. And Owen Perkins is a candidate for House District 2 because Mark is term limited. So Owen's here now. Did I forget anybody? Mark's thrilled that he's going to leave. We're not all so thrilled, but. I guess Lila's thrilled about it. Anyhow, and I want to thank Shelby Miller and Ian Silveri from the House Majority Project for helping pull this together. And all our wonderful, loyal East Central Democrats for coming out every time we ask you, and you really do. And you know, the Democrats couldn't have gotten, and we couldn't keep the majority without you all helping us. So it's so important that you're here. We appreciate it so much, and we are so privileged to have our wonderful Congresswoman. I'll just tell you now that she might make a comment about being jealous about the legislature and having an interest in returning to Denver so she could be in the majority again. But that seat's taken. So, wait, 3 years maybe, if it's still that bad in Washington. But I am fortunate to have, I have a variety of fabulous predecessors, and Diana is one of them. Hello, Lila. And I'm so honored that she agreed to come here tonight to help us. And Lila is the most
future state representative.
Where are you going to go, Lila?
We've got competition, Lois.
She's not a senator.
She's not a senator? Not yet.
No, she's a future senator. I said, no, don't insult her.
Oh, don't insult her. So, we are so fortunate to have our wonderful Congresswoman Diana DeGette, one of my predecessors. I'm, as I said, very fortunate to have some spectacular predecessors. So I am very pleased to introduce our wonderful Congresswoman Diana DeGette.